We have a 2007 Toyota Tundra, and the guy has one key, and we're gonna clone another key with a CN900 Mini. Alright, so we're at the home screen. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the key that he has. It's a Toy44D. I'm gonna stick it inside, and we're gonna hit the read and copy. Reads the information and it says Toyota and Lexus. We're gonna take it out. I'm gonna take a CN5 transponder chip. I'm not gonna put it here because this is too far away from the antenna. I'm gonna put it on the corner next to the antenna, and I'm gonna hit generate. So I'm gonna hit the generate button. There you go, success. Zoom in. After we program this chip, all we need is to duplicate another key, and we can test it over. Our 2007 Toyota Tundra that uses a Toy44D chip. I've cut it just a regular key for demonstration, and I have the transponder chip. Let's go ahead and test it out. 2007 Toyota Tundra. Again, we have a security light blinks. I'm gonna take just the regular TR47 key and I'll put it inside. And of course, security light will keep blinking and the car will not start. Car will not start. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna take the chip and I'm gonna put it next to the key, and there you go. And security light stops. And I have the chip here and the regular key. Thank you.